The next topic is linked list implementation of list in abstract data type. Here we implement a linked list. A linked list means the node will be represented under chain link. So the first node is connected to another node by using chain format. So in first node, there are two fields. One is header node and another one is tail node. The header node, the value maintained under the node, and the tail node can be represented to connect another list of second list. So we have to frame the structure of the linked list for creating the mm, list that can be stored into the memory space. So we assume struct as a, and the tag name is node, and declare the value as a variable, and the next is a connecting chain for the each node. So after the main function, by using type def structure node, the data node will be created for getting the head node, first node, and temporary node. So the temporary node is initialized as a 0. Then we then we declare count, loop, and first node and data. These are the common variables we have to declare for using linked list implementation. So these are the several variables we have to declare. Then after, by using while loop, each node can be insert into the linked list. So first the statement, enter the inserted linked list. When the -1 will be pressed, the program will be terminated. Otherwise, we have to insert every value into the list. So the data is a variable for getting the value, and if the data greater than or equal to 0, then the temporary node equal to data node store malloc of size of data node. That is, the data node is a, we can represent as for forming the structure. So we have to priorly allocate the memory for linked list based on the data node. So we can allocate the size of the data and it can be stored into the temp node. Then based on this memory allocation, we have to add the value whatever the user insert into the uh, value during the runtime. Each data can be stored into the temporary node. So temp node tends to value equal to data. So automatically the whatever the user type the value, that value can be stored into the temp node. Then the condition can be checked whether the first node equal to 0. So the temp node can be transformed to the first node and it can be maybe in free. So the head node tends to next equal to temp node. Further, here the temp node, there is a no value or element that can be transferred to the Next. So the through this form, the linked list can be created one by one. Whenever the data one by one we have to insert, the data can be insert into the node, and the temporary node can be freed for getting the next value. Then it is a flush of stdin, means temporarily the memory can be free for getting the value. Then temporary node tends to next equal to 0, means when the user put -1, the until the value can be stored. When the user enter the -1, the program will be terminated. Further, after terminating the program, the linked list values can be displayed under the list based on while loop. The temp node not equal to 0, whether it check. Then finally, the temp node value can be displayed one by one. From run the program, the input statement can be given, enter the element for insert linked list. So I put 34, the value can be insert, then another value can be given. So 56 I insert, then 78 insert, and 23 I have to insert, and 12 we have to insert, and 90 we have to insert. Whether when -1 can be typed, means the program can be terminated and display the how many values are stored in the linked list. There are 6 values can be stored: 34, 56, 78, 63, 12, and 19. This is one of the program for storing the value by using singly linked list implementation. Thank you.